Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Look at my hair. Today I'm going to be doing something different. A company called Ywigs sent me, yes, ta-da, tape-ins. This is going to be my first tape-in install. And here's a box, which I love black and it's matte black. But anyway, here are the contents inside. Extra tape for your tape-ins. 3 bundles of kinky straight hair to match my hair because my hair is kinky and beautiful, and it's 22 inches and it's a natural color that will blend in just perfectly fine in my hair. So like a silk press, you want it to be really silky and you don't put that much product in it, but I made sure I put a lot of product in mine because I want to protect my hair within these tape-ins. So here's my babyless straightening comb, and it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do, so I switched to my FHI Elite, and look at this magic. The difference in flat irons are amazing, so find your desired flat iron and you will see a good difference. And the smoke is because I put in product, and which is fine, and I only do one pass, so I'm not worried. Look at this shine, baby. So I did my whole head and it looks so beautiful, and then I had stuff to do. So the next day it was raining in Texas and 96 degrees and the humidity on stupid. This is how it looks. So I'm not adding more. Well, I did blow dry my hair a little bit because it was just the humidity took me out. So I did blow dry, but I'm not adding any more heat to my hair because I don't want to damage my hair. I'm not one of those girls, okay? I don't add a lot of heat. But I'm going to section my hair because I'm going to do the tape-ins in the front first, because the back, I tried to do it and I could not do it myself. So I brought in some help. So I did the middle part, and it's just like a leave out, like you're doing a traditional sew-in. Do some leave out, and then I'm going to do the sides, section it out, section that. And you need clips. You need a lot of clips because your hair is about sectioning, and you want to do the right section, a right amount of measuring to put within the tape, and you don't want extra hair to go in the tape ins because you will cause breakage. So I'm measuring the amount of hair that I want to leave out, and then I'm going to leave it, and then I'm going to kind of pull my hair so I can place the tape in under, and you want to place another tape in on top of that to like sandwich your natural hair in between the tape ins. And it's so easy to do when you can see what's going on. And you see I can move it, flip it, and it's not too tight. I don't want it exactly on my scalp because you won't be able to move it, and it won't be as versatile as you want it. And I'm going to leave the front alone. I don't want to place a clip in close to your hairline because you won't be able to put your hair in a ponytail, and that is my goal. I'm a ponytail girl, okay, especially in this heat. So of course some might say that I don't need tape ins or any weave in my hair, but these are 22 inches long, and I think my hair is about 18 inches long, and I'm doing these tape-ins for the fullness because when I flat iron my hair, it's not really thick like I like. And I want like a thick bun when I wear a ponytail, really thick. That thick, messy bun is ideal for me. And this is what these tape-ins are going to help me achieve that look. And I'm so excited about that. Look at that. When you are installing the tape-ins, make sure you are lifting it and moving it around to make sure that the placement is right and you're not causing tension or other hair isn't snagged. So what I'm doing here is going to cause for a versatile install because I am installing the tape-ins in one row, and then I'm covering it. I'm sectioning and covering it with another roll of loose hair. And that will allow you to part it in different ways, if you know what I mean. In the front, it calls for a versatile, why can't I talk today? A versatile install. So just go ahead and watch me do that. You just want to make sure, my main focus was to make sure that no other hair is getting in between the tape-ins that doesn't belong, because you can really damage your hair that way. And I would say put some product in your hair more than usual. And I did have to take some clip-ins out because I tried to do it myself, and it was terrible. And I'm showing you my length of hair versus the tape-in. I was worried that the hair would be too natural. The natural color would be too light, because I did color my hair black a couple times last summer. So, but no worries, it blended in perfectly well. And I did flat iron some of the pieces of the extra hair, the tape-ins. I flat ironed it. But as you can see, as time goes on, I didn't know that I would actually need a different bundle. I only flat ironed one bundle, and I ended up using 1.5. So those pieces are still curly, which is fine because they brushed out great, but you still can flat iron those pieces as well. And if you like what you see, just go ahead down in the description box. Everything is there, the links and everything you need. Right there, here's where you can see the difference. That's the length of the tape-ins versus where my hair ends, and it looks perfectly natural. I'm feeling it, and they look good. So like I was saying, if you like these and you want to check everything that this company has to offer, go ahead and look in the description box, and it will have everything you need. All the answers are right there. So I'm done with one side, and I did the exact same thing to the other side, and here is the magic. Voila. I'm brushing it up. That's the middle part. Here's the sides. Boom. Ba-da-dum. Da-dum. Perfect. Undetectable. No tape-ins. That's my hair. That's my real hair. I don't know what y'all talking about. Throwing it up in a ponytail just like my real hair. You cannot tell the difference. So I needed some help in the back. I tried to do in the back like I told you before, and it was a complete fail. And they were actually easy to take out. But here is Sydney, my daughter, my 9-year-old daughter. I'm coaching her through what to do. I did show her like how I did it and how I want her to do it. And I'm explaining everything to her that I told you guys. And I needed an extra pair of eyes back then because, like I said, the most important thing that was on my mind is not allowing other hair inside the taping that didn't belong, because it can snag and it can break. So I didn't care. And as long as it was kind of close to my scalp, but loose enough to fold up when I needed to and bend down without any tension or it hurting or anything, I was good to go. They may not be perfect, but she did a great job, and I'm proud of her. She was like, Mom, I'm scared I'm going to mess up your hair. I was like, girl, if I'm trusting you to do it, be confident enough to do it. I'm trusting you, so you need to trust yourself. Okay? So she did a great job, and I let her practice. After this, she wanted to practice on her mannequins, and I said, go ahead, but don't use all my tape-ins because I'm going to use these again. But she did a great job, and yeah. Okay, she's done. The top layer I'm going to leave out for more versatility, and she was so excited. I'm so proud of her. No, they are not perfect, but when I take these bad boys out, my natural hair will be safe and intact. Okay, so like I said, I did have to take some of them out before because I didn't like how it looked on myself, and I didn't think my hair would survive from me trying to feel around and just place the tape-ins in myself. So I did just grab some oil, and then that Mazzani serum, I just put it on there because, you know, anything that's sticky or, you know, oil combats it, or just like something in that Mazzani just took it and made it, my hair slip right off of it. So I'm doing a test to see if I can brush through my hair, which I can, and the brush took those the extra curly parts, it smoothed it out. Remember, I have the kinky straight hair, and it matches my hair perfectly. Now I'm just gonna put my hair up in a ponytail because I'm about to go to the gym, and my hair is going to be in the ponytail, but I'm going to do some flips and try to comb it out some more and just flip it around. I like this sexy look. Is giving me a Victoria's Secret, you know, runway, angel wings. Yes, big sexy hair. And then when I put it the other way, I part it the other way. It's going to give me savage. Look at that, savage Fenty runway. Yes, honey, work it. Look at that. Yes, and then you can kind of see that the tape in was kind of showing right there. And then this is what I say about it being a versatile install, because I'm going to take that comb and I'm going to part it. Boom, boom, boom. And it's going to give me what it's supposed to give. And it's giving me big, sexy hair. Yes. Now it's going to give me big, responsible bun, you know, because I'm about to take these spider lashes off. This is my first time wearing these lashes. I was like, I want to do some tape-ins, which is new to my channel. So let me put on these 85 millimeter lashes to set it off. Yes. But I'm going to take my makeup off. I'm going to change my clothes into some gym clothes. You see, I got makeup on this sweater. Okay, so I'm going to change my clothes and I am ready for the gym. Okay, and then look at me brush. I'm about to brush my baby hairs down. It's so easy to brush the sides. I always brush the back, and it was so easy to brush up because those tape-ins were not tight. They were loose. It made me happy, and this bun was happy. I thank you guys for watching. Go down to the description box. Please subscribe and share this video if you like. I thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Bye.